So now I'm going to explain how you can get a really good crunch tone from the Silver Jubilee. So I am still on the clean setting, if you like, but I've actually got the rhythm clip engaged on this sound. So using the push-pull on the gain control. And what that does, it introduces some diode clipping. So I've turned that original clean sound into like a crunch. EQ, I've got the presence set to 11 o'clock. The bass is boosted quite a bit, that's just below 3 o'clock. The middle's halfway, and the treble is around 10 o'clock. Now, the volume, again, I'm around halfway, and the lead master volume is not actually engaged at the moment, but that's halfway just for your reference. And then finally, the gain control on the amp is at 2 o'clock. I've also added some reverb using the effects loop.